Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and we'll be checking these out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. So, guys, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'm doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. So just the way we have seen this was on downtrend before, but got to this support to break out from there. So it switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, and but still it got to this particular resistance zone. So it was unable to break out from there. So it went from there into a downtrend. You can see it switching from an uptrend into a downtrend, and it is still selling at the moment, and it will be heading towards this support zone again. So for now, this is still selling. Okay. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. GainX 999. This had been on uptrend right from this support region. You can see it going up, go to this region, had a pullback, went up again to break out from this structure. Okay, it had a break of structure from here. I mean, right here. So and add another pullback again, and of course there should be another break of structure around here. So this is still very much an uptrend, and it is still buying. Okay, so this is more of a buying up and a selling opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be PainX 1200. Let's check it out together. PainX 1000. So guys, this is PainX 1200. This had been on downtrend right from the resistance zone. You can see it going down and going down. It has gotten to this particular support region. If it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it does not, then it will change the direction of the trend into an uptrend. So we should watch out for that. Okay. So the next asset is going to be PayNext 999. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 999. Just the way we have seen this, this actually got to this support region and went back up again. It has been playing between this region and this region. So it went back again, sold for a while, and of course, still be trying out the resistance zone again. If it breaks out above it, it's going to buy more, but if it does not, it will come down towards this support region again. So for now, this is still buying until it is unable to break out from here. Okay, next asset, which is going to be the last one, is called FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, and of course this actually got to the support zone at this region and switched from a downtrend into an uptrend, but it has been moving within this region, and right now it broke out above it, but it is coming down towards this again. If it should break out below this, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, it will go back up to buy more. Okay, so we still expect more buying opportunity from here, most especially if it's unable to break out from this support trend. Okay, so this is very, very important. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, and of course, if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if there is any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So guys, watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.